How to check in Singapore Airlines online. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can make the check-in process in singaporeair.com. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So just remember you're going to be able to find singaporeair.com website link in the description of this tutorial. So as you can see, here is the homepage of Singapore Air. And here we have a menu with different options. You can book trip, manage booking, or make your check-in. I'm going to select this. And sometimes there are like advice for customers. So read it in case this is related to some of your flights. If there is no any message, don't worry. Here you're gonna have two different bars. You can do it with the booking reference or with the e-ticket number. So just be sure you are selecting the right item and just have to type the booking reference and the last family name as in passport, exactly as it is in your passport. This is the same process with the e-ticket number, the 13-digit e-ticket number, and the last family name as in passport. Once you have filled all this data, you just have to click on check-in and continue with the process. Unfortunately, by now I'm not going to be able to show you the entire process because I don't have a flight here in singaporeair.com. But in case you are having some trouble, some issues, you just have to go into the upper part of your website and go into the section help. There you can contact the customer service of singaporeair.com and you're going to be able to receive guidance with your check-in process. Okay, here you're going to find different articles, but you can also call this line and get in contact with the customer service, and that's how it works. That's how you're going to be able to check in into Singapore Airlines online. Thanks for watching.